Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a page inside a module in Canvas. Pages are very useful in Canvas because they allow you to share information, instructions, learning materials or videos with students. Pages are not used for submitting assignments. Instead, they work like information pages inside your course. First, start from the Canvas dashboard. From the dashboard, click the course where you want to create the page. Once the course opens, go to the Modules sections in the course menu. Modules are where your course content is organized. You can think of modules as units, topics, or weeks of learning. Then choose the module. Scroll until you find the module where you want to add the page. For example, you may have a module called Week 2, Introduction to Photosynthesis. In this example, I will create a page inside a module. On the right side of the module, click the plus button. This button allows you to add new content to the module. A small window will open. By default, Canvas often selects assignment, but this time we want to create a page. Open the drop-down menu and choose Page. Next, choose Create Page. Now give your page a clear title. For example, what is photosynthesis? The title should describe what students will find on the page. And then click Add Item. Now I will drag this to its right place. Then I will open the page. The page opens, but it's empty. To add content, click Edit. Now you will see the Rich Content Editor. This is where you can create the content of the page. Here you can add text, images, videos, audio recordings, links, files, or embedded documents. For example, you could embed a video explanation or write instructions for students. Pages are very useful because they allow you to present information clearly before students move to an activity or assignment. First, I will insert here an image. The image is on my computer, so I will upload the image to Canvas. I drag or drop or click here, and then I can find the image that I've chosen. Describe the image of photosynthesis. So this is the alt text. And then embed the image. And then I will submit. If I save it now, I can see what it looks and what the size of the picture is. I can resize it in the edit mode. Next, I will add some text. I have pre-written the text, so I will just copy it. No, don't want to spend a lot of time typing. And here I clicked on the image, and I will resize it. I will make it a little bit smaller. And then I clicked here, so now you can see the cursor blinking. I press enter in order to go to the next row, and then I will paste my text here. Okay, your browser doesn't support direct access to the clipboard, so I will use shortcut key commands, Control V. All right, now I will do some editing to my texts. First of all, I will format this to be a heading 2. Photosynthesis is the process, and so on. I will maybe remove extra rows from here. The basic idea. Okay, I will during photosynthesis, plants use 3 main ingredients, so I will have this as a bullet list. Using these, plants produce glucose, oxygen, then the photosynthesis equation, again a bulleted list. Where does photosynthesis happen? Why is photosynthesis important? Again, a bulleted list. And this is check your understanding. I pre-created a discussion, so now I will use this as a link, a course link, and I will from here find the discussion question, check your understanding. Now this little sign here says that there's something that I should change in order to make this accessible. So I click on here, and it says that the text color, the contrast between the link and the background is not adequate, so I will make it darker. And yes, no accessibility issues were detected. And now I go down here and I find the save button. I will now check how my page looks like. There's the image, I have the headings, bulleted lists, and I also have this one link. If I click on this link, it goes directly to the discussion board. So this is the activity that the students could do. So they could discuss about these questions and then write together short explanation, replying to this. And I would also like to add here a YouTube video, which I found here. What is photosynthesis? It's under Creative Commons license, and now I can share it, and from here I can embed, and I get the code which I can then paste on my page. Copy, and then I go back here. I will edit my page, and then maybe add the video here before basic idea. I go to insert, embed, and then Control V, I will paste the code. now down here again, save. There's the picture, some text with headings, and now I can watch the video. If I want, I can also see it in full screen. Let's quickly review the process. Open your course, go to Modules, click the plus button, choose Page, select Create Page, give a page title, click Add Item, open the page and click Edit. Add your content and click Save. Pages are a great way to share instructions, explanations, and learning materials with your students.